Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash, I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us, and we can see that gold has crossed the crucial level of 3200. Yesterday we discussed that for the market to continue the downside, it needs to break 3200, and we can see that gold is right now trading around 3140 3150 area, and gold is under pressure. So if you have any sell going on right now, you can hold your sell position because the downside is open. Okay, and we can expect the market to head towards 3100 and eventually 3000 level, because if we look at a daily chart, okay, it is the daily chart of gold, you can see, and market is also standing at a very important level right now. Okay, remember in our previous videos, I think 2 to 3 weeks ago, we discussed that 3150 can be a good opportunity for the positional traders. But I think we have further downside possible. We will discuss why further downside possible. But we discussed 3150 as a potential for buy for position traders, because the previous resistance will be working as support here. Along with that, we also have the 50 moving average. So 3150, it was really a good area. But as we all know, my dear friends, the market sentiment is above all. Market sentiment rules the market, not the technicals. So here, if you look at the market sentiment, we can see gold drops to lowest in a month on falling safe haven demand. Gold hovers near 5-week low. Gold falls as risk appetite weighs on safe haven assets. So my dear friend, gold was bullish because of the safe haven demand. But as the tension between US and China is easing, okay, the market sentiment is bearish. And when the market sentiment is bearish, okay, no support will work. As a result, it's better for us to wait for the proper support around 3000 area, because further downside is still very much possible. Always keep in mind that if there is a support, that doesn't mean that market will bounce always. If there is a resistance, that doesn't mean that market will reverse always. No, support and resistance doesn't guarantee reversal. Otherwise, all the markets around the world would be sideways forever, isn't it? So support and resistance, yeah, they work nicely, but you need to know the market sentiment is above all. Right now, the market sentiment is bearish, so it's better for us, safer for us, to be on the sell side only. Okay, but if you're a positional trader, then obviously gold is fundamentally bullish always. So positional traders, you need to wait a little longer. Obviously, you will get a better price to enter. Okay, so let's discuss one by. So as I said, if you have a sell, continue with a sell position, because market is going down from here. Okay, and during the day, if we see market is trying to recover, then the previous support will work as resistance here, and we can expect 3172 to 3176 area to work as the resistance for the market. Means if market tries to recover, then wait for the market to hit this level. Once market will enter 3170 7273 area, observe the market. If you see the market is struggling, okay, you can hit the sell button, because area of value in this market is always at resistance, and obviously safer for us to sell on rise. Okay, and in case market surprises us, because gold is full of surprises, isn't it? If market surprises us and shows further, okay, recovery, in that case we can look for a sell around 3208 3218. This is the second selling opportunity on the chart of gold, where we can look for a sell position if market continues upside. Okay, because same logic here, the previous support will be working as resistance, and the 50 moving average will be working as dynamic resistance here. So if you have, okay, if you are looking for a fresh sell opportunity in the market right now, it's not the right time, because the boat has sailed already. Now nikal chuka hai. Okay, so if market comes up, you can look for sell around these two areas. Okay, and one more thing I would like to add here is that suppose you watch the video during the European session or US session. Okay, in if you see that market is somewhere around here, on that scenario, 3150 will be the new resistance as well, because these two will be far away. So 3150, which was the psychological support, will become the new resistance for the market. Obviously, you can enter on the middle as well, but if you are looking for discipline, if you want to become a disciplined trader, then you need to understand the area of value, the concept of area of value. Okay, area of value plays a very crucial role. Area of value is the reason why, okay, your stop losses get hit frequently. Okay, why you get trapped on trades, because most of the time we do not follow area of value. So in this scenario, this is our area of value, this is our area of value, and later on 3150 will also become area of value, where we can look for a sell position. Area of value, in simple words, it means the best level to take a sell, or not sell, okay, best level to trade. Okay, every chart has a best price to trade, so here area of value is the best level to sell. Okay, now do we have any support on the chart of course? See, yeah, we do have. Okay, around 3000 level, okay, around 3000 area, we can expect a psychological support, not any support technically, but we have a psychological support on the chart of gold. But you can clearly see this level is far away. So do we have any immediate support? Sadly, no. One level you can expect to provide support to the market is around 3077. Okay, around 3077, 3075. Day traders can just expect a bounce of 80 100 pips, 80 to 100 pips, but eventually market should break this level and go down further. Because as I said earlier also, support doesn't guarantee, okay, support doesn't guarantee a bounce always. Support doesn't guarantee a trend reversal always. If a market is bearish and market comes to a very strong support, hardly you will see a temporary bounce. After that, market will boom, break the support and go down. Okay, so this is how, okay, market works. You need to understand the market sentiment first and use the technical analysis accordingly. Okay, so here we can clearly see the market is bearish as of now. Okay, so our opportunities are mostly on the sell side only. Okay, for example, in the morning I told many people to go below to go for a sell below 3150, but as I can see right now, the boat has already sold. So that's why I said, if you are looking for a sell, okay, then you need to wait. And on the other hand, if we look at the economic calendar, yes, we have news coming up in the US session, and also the speech from the Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell. So if markets direction changes, okay, after the speech or after the news, follow that particular trend, because market sentiment, okay, is driven by the news. When news dominate, tacticals do not work. It's bitter truth. Okay, so that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And my dear friends, if you're looking for a reliable forex broker with whom you don't need to worry about your safe, to keep your money safe, hard-earned money, then you can easily go with Star Trader, because most of the brokers that are available online are not very safe for your hard-earned money. So Star Trader is safe because it provides compensation up to 20,000 euros. It also has insurance up to $1 million, and it has licenses from FCA, ASIC, SCA, FSCA, okay, 6 licenses. And the best thing about Star is that, okay, the spread will be only 17 on gold. Okay, so if you are facing the problem of high spread with your broker, you can easily switch to Star Trader. Okay, the spread will also be very low. Okay, so link will be in the description. Thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye.